Number 1. Compact confidence defines this 1979 Chevrolet Monza, priced at $7,000 in Daytona Beach, Florida, showing just 23,773 miles. This blue-on-blue coupe presents a clean interior and a solid body that has aged gracefully. Power comes from a V6 paired with a manual transmission, delivering an engaging driving experience uncommon among survivors. It runs and drives well, making it suitable as an easygoing cruiser or a thoughtful project. The Monza emerged during Chevrolet's late 70s push toward lighter, sportier compacts, carving out a unique niche in the era's performance landscape. Number 2. Calm authority defines this 1985 Mercury Grand Marquis LS, priced at $7,500 in Brownsville, Texas. Finished in beige with a brown interior, this one-owner sedan presents as a straightforward, well-kept example. It runs and drives well, backed by an automatic transmission and fresh tires, with current plates already in place. The LS trim emphasizes comfort and smooth road manners, traits the Grand Marquis built its reputation on during the mid-1980s. This model reflects an era when full-size comfort and durability shaped Mercury's identity. Number 3. Presence commands attention in this 1977 Ford LTD two-door, listed at $5,000 in Sweetwater, Tennessee. Finished in green inside and out, it shows just 18,000 miles and retains a clean title with an automatic transmission. The body presents straight and solid, reflecting careful ownership over the years. The rear differential will need attention before road use, making trailering appropriate. As a full-size coupe, the LTD delivered comfort, quiet cruising, and bold styling during the late 1970s, representing Ford's vision of personal luxury in a changing automotive era. Number 4. Utility meets muscle in this 1977 Ford Ranchero GT, offered at $3,000 in Marysville, Washington. Finished in brown with a matching interior, it carries a 351 Windsor V8 paired with an automatic transmission and a clean title. The body presents solid overall, with underside rust typical of the era, but retaining strong structure. A new battery is included, and the vehicle is best transported for its next chapter. The Ranchero GT blended car-like comfort with pickup practicality, capturing a distinctive moment when personal performance and utility shared the same bold platform. Number 5. Uncommon shapes define this 1974 Ford GT wagon, listed at $7,250 in Winnemucca, Nevada. Finished in red, this former Pinto station wagon was converted into a panel-style wagon during the 1970s, giving it a distinctive period look rarely seen today. Power comes from a 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it is described as running well. Some rust is present in a few areas consistent with age, and a selection of spare parts is included. This conversion reflects a creative era when owners reshaped compact cars into personalized utility machines. Number 6. Muscle meets utility in this 1984 Chevrolet El Camino Conquista, priced at $6,300 in Spring, Texas. Finished in gray with a blue interior, it blends coupe comfort with pickup practicality. Power comes from a 5.0 V8 upgraded with a Holley Terminator fuel injection system, paired with an automatic transmission. The engine is described as strong, and the vehicle runs and drives. Mileage shows 300,000, reflecting long-term use rather than fragility. A clean Texas title accompanies the car. The El Camino remains a symbol of an era when versatility and performance shared the same driveway. Number 7. Stance defines this 1981 Chevrolet 2500 regular cab long bed, offered at $5,000 in Fayetteville, Tennessee. Finished in black, it features a 5.3 V8 swap paired with a Granny Low 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs strong and drives exactly like a tall, old-school lifted rig, riding on aggressive 37-inch military tires. With a clean title in hand, it presents as a solid foundation for off-road use, utility builds, or hobby upgrades. Early 1980s, Chevrolet heavy-duty pickups marked the transition into tougher drivetrains, while retaining the raw mechanical character enthusiasts still seek. Number 8. Rear-engine character defines this 1967 Chevrolet Corvair sedan, priced at $4,000 in Gulfport, Mississippi. Finished in red with a black interior, it shows 112,000 miles and runs with an automatic transmission and a flat-six layout unique to the model. The car remains complete, cleanly titled, and presents as a solid driver, suitable for seasonal cruising or gradual improvement. Its compact proportions and distinctive engineering set it apart from typical sedans of the era. The 1967 Corvair represents the refined final years of Chevrolet's air-cooled experiment, blending unconventional design with everyday usability. Number 9. Compact muscle roots shape this 1977 Pontiac Phoenix, offered at $3,500 in Scroggins, Texas. Sharing its platform with the Nova, this example carries a Pontiac 350 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic that runs, drives, and shifts through all gears. The body is straight with only light surface rust and small trunk spots, while the floors and trunk remain solid. Interior pieces need attention, including the rear seats, dash, and door panels. The Phoenix marked Pontiac's entry into lighter, efficient late 70s compacts with genuine V8 attitude. Number 10. Commanding presence defines this 1964 Cadillac Fleetwood Series 75, offered at $6,500 in Harrison, Arkansas. Powered by a large displacement V8 with an automatic transmission, it runs, drives, and stops as expected for a full-size luxury cruiser. Finished in black over a gray interior, this long-wheelbase sedan was built for smooth family cruising and steady road manners. Ongoing small fixes have kept it enjoyable and usable. The Series 75 represented Cadillac's top-tier formal sedan, favored for its space, comfort, and unmistakable early 60s prestige. Number 11. Heritage shines through this 1970 Ford Ranger regular cab, priced at $6,800 in Willow Springs, Missouri. Powered by a 302 V8 with an automatic transmission, it runs and shifts smoothly while retaining its original truck character. Finished in white, the body is straight and presents well, offering a solid foundation that cleans up nicely. Factory air conditioning adds comfort, a rare feature in pickups of this era. The Ranger XLT trim reflected Ford's move toward blending work capability with added refinement during the early 1970s pickup evolution. Number 12. Bold utility defines this 1983 Ford Bronco package, priced at $6,000 in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. The titled Bronco is powered by a 460 big block V8 with a new intake and carburetor, HEI ignition, and a C6 automatic paired with a transfer case that appears intact. Included are extensive parts, a second Bronco, spare engines, transmissions, glass, driveshafts, and tires. Offered as a complete lot, it reflects the early 1980s Bronco era, when full-size sport utilities blended rugged hardware with serious off-road ambition. Number 13. Patina forward presence defines this 1975 Ford F-150 Ranger, offered at $6,500 in Muscle Shoals, Alabama. This two-wheel drive long bed shows 68,516 miles and carries a 390 cubic inch V8 paired with a C6 automatic transmission. Brown exterior and interior present honest wear, complemented by straight body panels and period paint character. The engine turns freely after time and storage, and documentation includes the owner's manual, title, and repair receipts supporting mileage. A bent tailgate with original latches is included. This generation marked Ford's move toward durability-focused full-size pickups. Number 14. Work-ready character anchors this 1985 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 regular cab, priced at $1,500 in Oxford, North Carolina. This long bed pickup features an 8-foot box, 4-wheel drive, and a 350 cubic inch engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing around 100,000 miles, it presents in solid overall condition with a brown exterior and a straightforward, honest stance. The LS trim keeps things simple and functional. True to its era, mid-1980s Silverado models are remembered for blending square-body toughness with everyday usability. Number 15. Purpose-built strength defines this 1978 Chevrolet K10 Custom Deluxe, offered at $6,000 in Monticello, Arkansas. Powered by a recently rebuilt 350 V8, it pairs with a 4-speed manual featuring a granny low and a fully rebuilt MP205 transfer case. The 4-wheel drive system operates smoothly, supported by refreshed front and rear ends and a new clutch kit. Finished in blue inside and out, it shows light rust but remains solid. Late 70s K10 trucks earned a reputation for durability, making this a classic rooted in hard-working heritage. Number 16. Solid lines and square body attitude define this 1980 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab, priced at $6,500 in Porter, Oklahoma. Powered by a 350 V8, it runs and drives well. Paired with a standard manual transmission, recent maintenance includes new tie rods, pitman and idler arms, intake and valve cover gaskets, rebuilt carburetor, fresh exhaust, and new plug wires. Finished in gray with a blue interior, the truck presents well overall, with tires needing future attention. Early 1980s Chevrolet pickups marked the final evolution of classic square-body toughness and everyday usability. Number 17. Bare-bones potential surrounds this 1974 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Listed at $800 in Englewood, Florida. Finished in blue, it is equipped with an inline-6 and automatic transmission, though it has been sitting for over 20 years and does not currently run. Rust is present in typical areas, with the trunk and fuel tank removed. An out-of-state title is included, but not in the seller's name. Best suited as a race-built shell, parts donor, or long-term revival, the Malibu Classic represented Chevrolet's shift toward lighter, versatile mid-size platforms during the early 1970s.